Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download the slides from your gamma.app presentation to your computer as a PNG file, because that's the format that is just easy to use. You can even post that to your social media account quite easily. Alright, so the first thing that you need to do is that you have to open gamma.app, and by the way, there is one thing here that you need to know, and I'm going to explain that later after I have downloaded the picture. Now let's open the presentation. Let me try maybe this one and just wait until it's open. Alright, so this is the presentation that I'm going to download as a PNG file. There are 8 different slides. Now let's click on this share button, and after that click export right here, and you can click export as PNGs and just wait for gamma.app to create the PNG version of your presentation. And this would work even if you created the website or brochure or anything. All can be exported as a PNG file. Now it's going to show you this message. Just click this button if the file is not downloaded, but in this case the file has been downloaded to my computer. It is zipped or archived into one file because there are multiple PNG files here. So let me show you what the file looks like. I'm going to open my file explorer on my computer, and this is what the file looks like. Right now, let me just right click and then click. I'm using 7-zip, but you can use any other tool on your computer to extract this zip file. And after that, just wait until the image are exported from that file. There you go. So these are great, but if you look closely here, the aspect ratio or the size of each of these slides are actually a bit different, and that's because these files do based on the document that has dynamic size. So this document actually dynamic, which means it can be presented on any screen size, which is very useful. But when you're exporting the document, there is a good chance that you'll see something that looks like this. This slide, for example, is bigger than this, and that's just the side effect of using the dynamic mode on gamma.app. But other than that, the images are fine. They are PNG. They are containing all the elements that are present on the original document. So that's basically how you can download your gamma.app presentation as a PNG file. If you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video.